In this video, we are going to create this kind of auto blogging news website within few minutes. You can see I have created this website in this video. I have got in this video in the last, and I'm showing it into the front. So this website is created within this video tutorial. You can create this kind of auto blogging website within few minutes. So this is basically an auto blogging website, and it is auto blogging news website. It is fetching the news feeds from other website and putting it into this website and showing on the website, which is very easy, very easy. So how you can do that, how you can create and design this kind of website, please keep watching this video and subscribe my channel. For creating any WordPress website, first of all we need to install WordPress. For installing WordPress, in your control panel you need to search for soft calculus app installer. So in the soft calculus apps installer, you can easily install WordPress. So just click here. After clicking that, you will see a lot of applications will be available to install. So you need to select WordPress. So just click on install. And here you need to select your domain. So I have a lot of domains and subdomains. So for now, because this is for tutorial based, so I'm going to select a staging website, and you can just select your own domain while installing WordPress. So here I will select here the site name Autoblogging. Now okay, I will select this one, and in the site description, news website based. Okay, so this is tagline. You can change it later or not. And here is the username. You can select any username. So I will select Autoblog. You can select any username as your requirements. And here is the password. So I am going to copy that password. And you can just use basic settings and just click on quick install. Here, just click on install. Now WordPress has been installed, and I will just click on that admin link. So this is the admin link, so I can easily navigate and it will be redirected me into my dashboard. Now you can see this is our dashboard. So in the dashboard I will just click on visit the website. So let's see how our website looks like. So there is no need for self calculus, so I am going to close this browser. Now you can see this is an empty page. We are going to design an awesome auto blocking news website, as well as are going to automate it. So now we are going to click on plugins, and we are going to install our required plugins for this auto blocking website. So here are some required plugins. The plugins files is provided into the description, so you can just download this file and extract in your folder, and then you can upload the required plugins. So I am going to install required plugins one by one. So in the plugins you can just click on add new, and here I am going to search Elementor. Elementor, this is plugin for designing purpose. So just click on install, and there is another plugin which is available in my file. So just click on upload and just choose file, and all the plugins are provided into my file. So I'm going to install them one by one. This file is available on folder is available on my desktop, so I am going to open that. And here is the WP automatic. WP automatic is the basically plugin that allow you to automate or auto blocking news website or fetch RSS feed and so on. So this is required and essential plugin for this website. Now this plugin is also installed, so I will just click on add new, and again I will upload another plugin, choose file, and there is Elementor Pro. So basically the Elementor is installed, but its pro version is this one, so I'm going to install this one as well. As now again click on add new, upload plugin and choose file, and click on JetBlog. JetBlog is a plugin that allow you to create an awesome widgets for your news website and triggers for news and so on. So just now I have installed all plugins, so just click on installed plugins. Now you can see Elementor, Elementor Pro, JetBlog, and WordPress Automatic. So I'm going to activate all of these plugins and just click on here. You can see select all, and I'm going to deselect because I don't need that, and just click on activate and apply. Now the required plugins are installed, and let me do some basic settings in WordPress. So just click on setting is permalinks, so just click on permalinks, and here you can see days, month, and so on. So just click on post name and just click on save changes. So in the permalinks, you need to, this is the essential and necessary setting that you need to do for an auto blocking website. Now if I click here and visit website, there is nothing happened because we just installed plugins. We did not add anything into that. Now we go to appearance and just click on themes, and there are some basic themes, but we are going to install a free theme which is called Bloxy, and which is also free. And we are going to this free theme, we are going to use this free theme. And here you can see in the search box, you just need to search for Bloxy. So when you will search Bloxy, there will be a lot of themes available, but we need to install a real Bloxy. Now you can see this is the Bloxy theme, and just click on install and just click on activate. Now the Bloxy theme is installed, and here you can see this is a notification by JetBlog. So just click on start update. So there is maybe a basic update for the JetBlog. Now this has been updated. Now everything that is required for this website we have installed in successfully, and we there if you refresh, there will be a bit happen. You can see there are appearances happen. So now we go back, and here we are going to do some settings into WP automatic plugin to fetch the news and other news websites process into our own website. Before setting up a WP automatic, we need to find out any news website in my country. For example, in my country, Daily Pakistan is a very popular news website. Daily Pakistan, this is the Daily Pakistan news website. And as well as there are many other websites that are very popular in Pakistan. But I would like to choose this one, and because this Daily Pakistan have RSS feed. So in every any website, a news website, it will have a feed, RSS feed. So in your website URL, you just need to put RSS at the end of your URL, and I'm adding RSS, and here I am going to enter. Now you can see there are RSS feeds. This is very important. This is very important to understand what is the RSS. Basically, RSS is the all the categories, as well as the posts list, as well as you can say news list that you may and you may list of posts that you want to publish on your website. So but these are categories of these RSS. You can do all of these one by one, as I am going to show you in few seconds. And here you can see these are categories of these RSS: advice, analysis, blog, book news, businesses, and campus life, and so on. So here in the post categories, in the you can see here in the posts and categories, I have added some categories, but I would like to add some more categories to show you. For example, forex is the category here, RSS category, forex, and I am going to create a category that is called forex, and click on and like that you are going to add all of these categories and so on in that file in your products categories. So because these are categories of RSS, just like that you need to add all the categories inside that. For example, if you go here, Pakistan league and Pakistan Ramzan reviews and so on. For example, review, so I am going to add a category that is called review. So here I'm going to add a category. So now the review is also another category that I have added. So these are categories that this is how you can add the categories into your blog, posts categories. And now we have total 8 categories into that, and from that we are going to create 8 RSS feeds and import into our campaign. So let's get started with the setting up of. Now in the WP automatic, just click on WP automatic, click on all campaigns. We are not going to talk about any other features of WP automatic because we don't need that for now. So now in the campaigns, you just need to click on new campaign, and here you need to name it. For example, forex RSS, forex RSS, and I would like to say 2020. This is the strategy of my naming. You can name it according to your needs, and here I will just click on our feeds. Now you can see the feeds has been selected, and from that I would like to select reviews. Oh, sorry, forex. So here is the forex. Just click here, right click here, and copy the link address. and paste into the feed post. And here you can see the forex is the RSS feed URL, and I have added. Now you don't need to select here auto detect, but sometimes you can click on visual selector, and in the visual selector you can also select the first item in list. For example, if you have a lot of courses in your category, so you need to select the first item from that, and first title, for example, this is the title, so you can also manually select it, but I recommend you to auto detect. Now below that you can see strike parts existing. I mean, if you want to extract some parts of your post or you don't want to read, so these are the settings for that. Only check if the post will be more order, add postage with the original time. Okay, if you want to add the postage with the original time, you can select it, but if you don't want to do that, you can deselect. Set the original category, import categories tags. I mean, if you want to import the categories as well as from your posts, you can also select the categories as well as the tags. So here you can see you can select the category from id, plot, xpath, and so on. So you can deselect it. If you want to do that, you can do, but I don't recommend that. Set meta tags as WordPress tag to extract original tags. I mean, if the post have tags, you can extract it. So I'm going to click on that, and let's see if the products have some tags. So sorry, you can see these are tags, so you can select that. So this is the tag. Now we go below, and in that we can just uh, go here and extract original author name, extract original meta description. So meta description is basically the description that Google shows here. For example, this is the meta description. So if you want to extract from originally, you can select it from that. Skip posts with no content, yes, and skip posts without images, yes, and process items from bottom to no. Decode HTML entities, autofix transfer flows, don't select that. Convert encoding before posting. It means sometimes the URL of any post that consists barcodes and so on, so encoding schemes, so you can convert it. For example, coding website, if the website have coding materials in that, you can select that as well. I don't try to find feed URL, add URL, already feed URL. Okay, so this is don't type tags from the generated titles. Okay, don't try to guess the redirection. I mean, sometimes it redirect to some other URLs in the field. If the other URLs are available, you can select it. Then don't try to get original data from the original post. Use what the feed is have. I mean, don't select that. And fix a lazy image load, you can select or deselect. Now we go down, and the post type is post. Sometimes you need to scrap products, so you can just do that. And here in the first, set the first image as the image featured image. Stripe first image from the content, and set as featured image. Try to generate name of the image from the post title. And here set the title image as the library. Set the image alt text from the pencil. Okay, alt text is mean it is used for SEO. Set the keyword used to get this post title to feature image. I mean, you want to add its keyword as the alt text, you can do that. Check image width. I mean, if the image width is more than this one or smaller than this one, you can skip or not skip. I don't recommend that. Set the random feature image if the no image exists in the content. I mean, it here you can do URL of any image that you want to replace with the featured image of your post if the content don't have any featured image. Now don't save the image to my server. I will use a free plugin to replace the URL, so don't use that. Here, if it was not possible to set featured image, set the post status to pending. Okay. Now download all images from the content to my server. You can download or not. And here in the categories, I will select the forex category here. Here is the forex category, and as well as you can just do the recommended setting. These are recommended setting. Here, if you want to keywords to tags, I mean, the some keywords that you want to add in your tags again and again, you can do that, but I don't recommend that to repeat tags into any content. Skip the post is it contain one or more these words. I mean, if you want to add skip a post, if there's some specific words. I mean, if there is India, for example, India word is available in the post, you can skip that. And if the any adult content or any adult, for example, if the post have sex, you can skip that. It means that you can skip the content with the images existing, or with the, for example, with the words that they have. Only post that item in text specific images and skip the post there is already published with the same title in the database. So this is good. I mean, sometimes there are posters that are available in multiple categories. You can skip that. Skip the post is shorter than specific length. I mean, if the length have 300 words, 400 words, or 600 words, so you can skip the post. I'm not going to skip that. Skip the post is longer than the specific length. I mean, if the post have more than this length, you can skip that. Skip the comments if the keyword exists in the comment body or username. I mean, there you can add a keyword that if this keyword is available in the content comment, you can skip the comments. I mean, disallow the comments, but I don't select. Then there is a spin and rewrite tools. I mean, if you want to rewrite your post by any spinner, best spinner or auto spinner, you can spin that. Translate the post before posting. I mean, if you want to translate your post from Google Translator, for example, from English to Arabic or anything, for example, English to Arabic or Urdu, any other language. So you can translate also title, translate content between. If the translate got failed, post is should be pending. So you can translate your content with this feature. So don't select that. Set WP language to the posts. I mean, there is a plugin that is called WPML, which is basically a translating plugin that translates your posts into other language manually as well as automatically. But I am not going to select that. Set the polylanguage language as for posts. I mean, this is another plugin that allow you to use multi-language content in your website. And here is the feature content search and replace the modification. Search and replace. I mean, if there is this line available, this replace this with this. Okay. For example, if there is a word that is called how you, okay, there is a sentence in every any post you can replace with how is going on. Okay, so this is how you can use this. I mean, this one replace this with this one. Okay, I hope you understand. In that, this is also a trick of making unique your content, and you can detect which word or which thing that is using again and again into your posts or news, so you can replace with your own words, so it will also make your content unique. Okay, so this is how you can select or deselect, but I'm going to deselect because I don't need that for now. Replace specific keywords in the first article with the link keywords. I mean, if there is a keyword this one and you want to replace with different one, so this is same as this the other one. Hyperlink specific keywords with this specific link. I mean, you can set your link. For example, this is the most, and there is a other example of SEO link, so this is not recommended. Don't use that. Okay, truncate content to the specific number of characters. I mean, if you want to truncate, I mean, if you want to add a specific number of characters in your content, same as I have suggested above. This is the same, but in characters. Okay, truncate title in a specific number of characters. I mean, sometimes title goes too much long. Okay, so you can, for example, this title is almost and almost 60 almost 30 words, So here is, if you want to reduce the size of title characters, you can do that. Delete emojis from, remove all emojis from the content. You can, if you want to, don't want to add any image into your post or content, you can remove that. Delete emojis from the posts, and for example, so you can also delete the emojis from these. Stripe original link from the post hyperlink, and set only stripe internal links and leave the external link. Okay, and then make permalink directly to the source. No, this is not recommended. Make permalink directly to the source. This is not recommended. Add tags, original links. Okay, never post the same link again. So this is I mean, if the post have same link, you cannot select it. For example, just like that, I was showing in the above settings. If the post have same title, you can extract it. Do not remember already imported source. Okay, I mean, if the post is already imported, so do not remember. This is the plugin setting. So there are the post item, even they're already posted from another campaign by default. Post items. Okay, never deactivate keywords 1 hour recommended. Okay, so this is not need to select. Okay, now our RSS is ready, so you just need to click on publish, and if this feed is ready. Now you can see this feed is ready, and let's try to run it, and I will click here, run. Now you can see the post is published, and let's see, is it? No, you can see there is a post as fetched from the link, and there is the source link, as well as this is the tag, and as well as the featured image is also extracted. So it means this is working very fine. So if I go back into all campaigns now, you don't need to repeat this. You can just copy and paste all the campaigns one by one. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Just click on duplicate, and just click on OK. Now OK, and refresh your URL. Now you can see this is duplicated, and just click on edit, and now we are going to create for campaign for reviews. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to change the name. For example, reviews, and here in the state of copy, just remove that, and in the link you are going to here, and here just copy the reviews link. For example, here is the review, and copy this link, RSS feed link, and just paste that. Now you can see RSS feed link is pasted. Just go down, go down, go down, and the category, you just need to select the review categories. Now you can see review category, and just click on publish. Now our second RSS feed is also published. We don't need to do anything again. So I have just copied the link, pasted it, and just change the link and change the category. So the uh, RSS feed is ready, and our campaign is ready. So just click on run campaign and test it again. Now you can see the another campaign is also run successfully, and it is working fine. Now I will go again on the all campaigns, and one by one I will duplicate all the campaigns one by one, and list out here. So I'm pausing this video for now, and after adding all the campaigns into the list, I will resume the. Now I have added all the campaigns one by one. Now we have almost 10 campaigns in our list, and we are fetching 10 categories of the RSS feed and 10 categories posted into our website. So if I go here in the posted, so I have some of posted there, and we can do everything now, and you can see this is the posts that are fetched from the category from the with this plugin, and these are working very fine. Now after adding all the setup of plugin and all the necessary items, now let's we dig into the design part. Before going to design part, we are going to add some of necessary pages, because necessary pages are very necessary for any website. For example, home page, blog page, privacy policy, contact page, and so on. So in the pages, if I go here, and in the pages, for now we have privacy policy as a drop page, and a sample page. So I'm going to trash this sample page because we don't need that, and click on add new, and I will name it home, and just click on publish. Now I will go back again into the pages, and here you can see home page is added. Now I'm going to add a new page which will call blog, and it will say blog. Okay, now I will click on publish. Now we have two pages right now, and the privacy policy, and I will click on add, and this is a draft page. I'm going to publish it, and it will be published automatically. So you can also change the content inside that. Now we have three pages. These are enough. You can also add contact us and other pages that you need, but for now I'm going to do these two pages. Now go into the settings and click on reading, and we are going to set our home page as a static page. For example, if you go on the home page, because this is in cache, now you can see this home page is empty. Now if you click on blogs page, all the posts are appearing on the blogs page. Now this is how you display the pages into minutes. Now we have added all the necessary pages, and now we dig into the design part. And here first of all I am going to deactivate this cache plugin, because when you have a cache plugin, it will save the cache, and the results will be not be accurate. So this is the light speed cache, so I'm going to deactivate it because we don't need that for now, but I will activate after designing part complete. First of all, if I refresh again the home browser and homepage, now you can see there is nothing. So the strategy of design, first of all, we are going to design the top menu, and then the footer, and then the other thing, for example, blog post is homepage and so on. So first of all, go back and in the appearance, and here in the themes, you can see this is the default theme we have activated. So if we activate any other theme, for example, block C will be activated, and if I click on activate, so the block C will be activated, and if I go on the blogs page, you can see this is the blogs page right now. And if you go here the home page, you can see this is the block C default menu that is showing right now. And if you click on blogs page, so this is the blogs page which is now active is showing, because after activating the theme, the layout of the home page and everything is changed. But I'm going to create a custom header as well as the custom footer and so on. So I will go here appearance, and in the templates, here in the templates, click on and add new, and we are going to add a header. So now I'm going to click on select here, and in the selection we will select header, and I will select header. Okay, name it, you can name it anything, but I'm going to name it header for news. Okay, so this is the header template uh, name, and just click on create template. Now you can see this is empty area, and there is nothing. So I will just click here and click on this row, because this is Elementor plugin, and here I'm going to add a new row. This is a row. Just click on settings and create on full width, because we need a full width row. Now this is a full width row. Now I'm going to add some sections here, internal sections and so on. For now, I'm going to click here and add column, and this is now two columns, and I will drag and drop. So this column is for logo text, and this column is for menu and so on. So I will just click on add new, and it is adding a new column as well as. So I'm going to click here and as well as here. Now we have two rows, one row and three columns. In the first column, I will select a logo, and if I click here logo, so now you can see site logo. You can drag and drop your logo image here. But I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add a simple text, and so on. So I will just search for heading, and here is this heading. I will just heading, and I will say auto blogging. Okay, so this is basically the title of our website, auto blogging, and I'm going to make it h3, and here in the style I'm going to make it font size, I mean this font size, as well as you can change your font family and I will say Montestrate. So this is the let's click on family that I am going to use that. And if I get here, and now you can see this is stretched into the corner, but I will select here, so it will not stretch into the corner. So this is right now here, and here in that I will set a search form. So I will search form, and here I mean people can make searches on your website. Now you can see this is search form, and here in the middle I will say navigation menu, and here navigation menu or WordPress menu. Here is the WordPress menu. I'll just drag and drop, and here you can see there is a no menu available in the back side. So I will go back appearance and click on menus. So now we are going to create a menu that will appear here, and here I will say main menu. Okay, now this is the main menu. I just click on create, and this menu will be created. Now you can see menu is created, and if you click on view all blogs, and I'm going to add two pages here, and as well as the post categories, for example forex, reviews, business, CPAC, lifestyle, Islam, Pakistan, and so on. And just click on that, and sports world. Okay, now you can see these are all categories are added, and just click on save changes. And if I click on publish and click on save changes, and now publish, sorry, add condition for entire website, and just click on save and close. Now it will be published, and if I refresh on the home page, you will see uh, you can see these are menu items are appearing, but because this is automatically appearing. And if I refresh it, and because it is not refreshed, and I will refresh it, and when I will refresh, the menu will be appear here. Now you can see here I will select here, and main menu, you can see the main menu is here. If I hover here, this is not a good color, so I will click on style, and in the style you can see typography, color, and drop down, and so on. So if the color is, you know, this is the color, so I'm going to select this one. This is a black color that I need that. And hover, you can see hover, uh, divider, you can see this is a divider. And pointer color, this one you can see, and you can select any pointer color, but you can do according to your needs. And if I go here, and here pointer is underline, none, background. So if you select background, you can see this will be background, and you can select anything that you need according to your requirements, anything. So here in that I will do more settings. In the settings, it's a width of any, this is the divider width, this is the divider. And space between, I mean space between the menu items, you can see you can increase or decrease. For example, I will select 5 pixels, or horizontal padding is this one, I mean, and I will select 5, so this is closer now. And if I select 10, so these are more closer. So if I go here, and in that I will select classic instead of full screen, or minimal. You can see this is the minimal, and I would like to select uh, classic full screen. So in the full screen, I will select this one as a smaller one. Now you can see all the categories are now fulfilled here. Now, if you click here, and I would like to select background or border, so you can say this is a shape divider as well as the background. So if I select the background color for this row, I can also select this one. Okay, any background color, but I would like to select manually. But this is a little okay, but for more designing you can do many things with that. If you click here, click on advanced, and click on padding, and left padding is 30 and right padding is 30. So you can make it according to your requirements. Now the header is the final, and we are going to add some more things into the header. And now in that, I'm going to click on style and click on background, and now you can see select your background color according to your requirements. And if you don't need to change any background color, you can do whatever you want. But here now, again, I would like to select a new row, click here, and in that I would like to select jet engine, jet elements, and here is the jet. In the jet elements, you can see post navigation, post smart posts, smart titles, and text picker. So if I click here text picker, now you can see this will be headlines of new posts and latest posts headlines, for example. So I will like to select here, and the categories I will select all categories. So this is the taglines of our news websites or news, and select on style. Now we can add a background type. For example, if I select here and I would like to select any background, you can see here the background can be changed according to our requirements. Now you can see this is the background right now. And if I want to add any border, for example, border style solid, and here if I select border, you can see this is the border. But these are designing things. We are not going to dig into that, but I will select here in the content. I would like to select some of more settings, slide setting. So here you can see this. You can change the slider. This one, angle doubled, and caret. You can see this is a caret, and arrow circle, and create sphere, so on. So it is your depends upon you. So there you can manage the speed, multiple typing. You can see this is a multiple typing. In the style, I would like to select some more settings in this postage, and the postage you can see padding and title color, author color, so on. So here in the link color, date color, so you can make changes into everything. So if I click here link, so you can see this is the link color. I would like to change it, and here in the author color, you can change the author color as well as date. So I would like to check the date color into that one. Now you can see here, select here and select full width. So this is the full width now, and here in the container I will just here and share, right click here, post number of posts. I mean here how many number of posts I will be, four, I mean 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, anything, any amount you can set up. And here in the slider setting you can see effect, autoplay, multiple play, column arrows. I mean there are column arrows, and in the arrows I would like to make more settings. And here in the style, here paging arrows, and here is the paging arrows, and here I would like to arrow style, and here you can see arrow style as arrow color, and I would like to select this one. Now you can see these are visible now. If I click here update, and if I refresh it, now you can see this is showing right now. And here this is very awesome. And if I click here again and style, in the style I would like to select background, black background. Now this is okay, and I will like to click on update, and I would like to refresh it again. Now you can see this is showing as a headline, and this is showing newscaster or headlines and everything on the top. So every page on this will be showing like that. So this is basically how you can design a header with the newscaster. So this is very awesome. So I would like to make more settings. Click here, make it middle, and it will be middle now because it was top. And click on update, and if I refresh it, and here you can see this is the in the middle, and these are the categories of our postage, and these are two pages. Now this is almost final, and header is okay. Now we do some mobile settings, mobile header settings. And if I click here in the responsive and click on mobile icon, so now you can see this is the looking of mobile, and here I would like to select here column and make it 50%. Also make it 50%. Now this is okay, and this is the headings, and in the style I would like to change some of settings here in the slide settings. Sorry, in the style I would like to visit title, sorry, and container. Okay, and here is the posters. In the posters I would like to make some changes, and here is the typography, and I would like to select the font size is 14, so it should be 14 in the mobile, or you can make it 12, so this is very visible right now, as well as paging arrows. And now you can see arrows, top arrow make it 10, and now you can see it is horizontal aligned or not. Now you can see this is right now, and here this is right now, here now it is vertically aligned, and here now you can see this is how you can horizontally align these all. So here you can see how you can drag and drop. No, this is okay. Okay, now we are going to do some arrow style, and here is the arrow style, and icon size it should be 12. Now you can see it should be 12, or you can see 17 or 12, 20. It depends upon your requirements. Now it may be 20, I think. So this is 20, so it will be okay for mobile, and just click on update. Now it is on the left, so I would like to select it into the center for mobile, so I will just click on update. So now it will be okay for mobile. Now our header is finalized, and the header is working with the newscaster, and it is working very fine for us. So you can make changes on your header and so on. So it is okay for now, and I would like to add a footer right now for our website. So I will just go here and again into the templates and click on add new, and here I would like to select a footer, and here is the footer, and footer for login site, and here just click on create template. I will select here, and this is a footer is empty, so I would like to select a new row for the footer, and as well as I would like to select the full section, and here for footer I would like to make it very simple. So first of all I am going to change its background and the style. I would like to select some background color. For example, I would like to select black, and in that I would like to select a subscription form, and here is the form, and here I would like to add a form, and if someone wanna subscribe, so it will be a subscription form, and I would like to style it, and in that email should be 70%, and here this is the email, and button it should be 30%. Okay, so this should be 30%. Now it will be one by one, and here in the style, sorry, in the email I would like to deselect the, you know it is required, but in that label it should not be labeled here. Now you can see this is looking right now, and if I select here, you can drag and drop here you can do whatever you want, and here the content button, email steps, additional setting, and in the additional setting you can do some more settings. So if someone wanna subscribe, you can do that form, and here I would like to select a title, heading. Here I will like subscribe now for latest updates, and here in the style I would like to select it. Okay, more settings, and that typography I would like to select Montesstraight, make it Montesstraight, and font size should be uh, 25 or 24, 24, and in the content it should be middle. Now it is middle, and here I go here, and it should be mirror as well as. Now you can see this is the subscription form, and this is looking very okay. But here I would like to add some paddings here. Padding top should be 50, and padding bottom should be 50. Now you can see, and here this is the form, and if I click here and I will select inner section here, the inner section. Here, this is the inner section, and I would like to delete one of this, and click here, and here you can see maximum width should be 710, and just move it here and make it full to that. Now this is okay, and if instead of 700 I would like 600, and now it is okay. So here in the stat of send I would like to select subscribe. In the buttons I would like to select subscribe. Now the subscription but form is here, and as well as I would like to add some links into the footer. So here I would like to add copyright text, and here now I would like to select all rights. Now I have added this text, and in the privacy policy I would like to add a link, and here in the link I would like to add our privacy policy page link here, and here the privacy policy link slash privacy policy. Okay, so this is our privacy policy, as well as here the homepage link. I would like to add our homepage link here, and here is the homepage link, and here here so two pages are linked, and now I would like to select style and make it center, as well as make the font color as white, and as well as now you can see this privacy policy home and subscription form is added. If I want to click here and select on margin, top margin should be, sorry, just adding on all, just select here and top margin 30. Now uh, the subscription form is added in the footer. This is very simple footer. Subscription publish, add condition entire site, and save and close, and refresh our home page, and now you can see this is our subscription form is added in the bottom. Now we are going to design our pages, for example home page, about other pages, category pages, and so on. So first of all I would like to design our home page, so I will just click on edit page. Now you can see this is our home page, and click on edit with Elementor. Now the home page is opened in editing mode, and if I see here, this is the home written here, and I would like to select settings, and here you can see these are basic settings, and click on hide title and just click on update. So now it is not hiding. So in the templates, sorry, in the page layout, you can select Elementor full width and just click on update. So it will be updated. Now there is no title, and now I would like to add a row, and in the top row we will add some top news or latest news, just like headings, and in the other sections we will add our other uh, categories, for example forex, reviews, videos, and so on. So first of all I would like to add a row, and in the row I would like to add you know some jet elements, and in the jet elements you can select this post smart post slider, and here is the smart post slider, and now you can see this is the smart post slider. Now we are going to make some styles here, and in the wrapper, global wrapper margin, I mean you can add some of margin, this is the margin, and if you want to add, you can add or not, but I'm not going to add. In the heading, you can see heading, border radius, and so on. So background color, if you want to add a background color for the headings, we have not added heading for this box, but we are not going to do that. In the filter, you can just click on filter, and here is the filter is the typography and border color. So if you click here, and there is no any filter right now, but we are going to make it again. So here is the feature. So this is the featured image, or featured image style. So here is the padding, intersection, background type, background color. For example, if I click here, background type is a black color. So you can do whatever you want, but for now we are not going to do that. And here in that, you can see post image query, post so on, post feature post meta, and feature post buttons. And this is the feature post, for example. And this is the feature road more, feature terms link, post is, and so on. So here is the featured. And if you go down and post title, and if I click here, now post title is black. Now you can see the post title has been uh, created into the black. Now you can see. And if I go here, color and typography, you can change the typography as well as the background type. If I click here, background type, if I click here, now you can see background is changed. But I am not going to change the background for the whole box because it already have image into the background. And here is the post title, post text color, and post text color, typography, so on. And here again in that, in the background type is post text hover color. So in the post title, I would like to select white. This is the white now. And here is the hover color, and I would like to select this as hover. You can see this is the hover color. And decoration none. And now I would like to make it, you can align it center or not, it depends upon you. But this is the post text. And here in the content, I will like to in the post excerpt, we are not going to show the post excerpt. Maximum length of widget post excerpt, so it should be 0. We are not going to use the post excerpt. As well as in again in the settings, let's see, is that adding excerpt. Here is the excerpt length, so we are going to make it 0 because we don't need that. Okay, now in the post meta, if this is the post meta, I mean the date and so on. This is the post meta query controls. In that, I would like to select categories into all, and postage should be all. And here use the custom query. We're not going to use custom query. So all the latest postage from the categories, it will be displayed here. Now I would like to go here in the style again, and here featured. And in the featured, uh, sorry, in the featured, I would like to select featured post meta. And here's the featured post meta icon size. It means this is the icon size. So you can increase or decrease the icon size according to your needs, but it is okay if you want to. Sure. So here is the again in the feature, you can select the background. For example, here if I select this one is the background. And text color, if I like to select the white, as well as you can see this is the text color for the this feature image, feature post. Now if I go here, feature read more, feature terms links, and here is the postage. These are other postage. Now if I click here in the postage, now first of all I would like to add a background. And here in the background, I would like to select this one, sorry, this one, this one. Okay, this one has a background, as well as add here. And here is the just here. And here is the border typer. Border type, I will like to select solid, and it should be 1 pixel. And this is a 1 pixel. And in the color, you can select any color according to your needs. And in the radius, I would like to select 12. You can see this is 10. Okay, now this is okay. And here in the box shadow we like to add a shadow. You can see this is a shadow here, and here you can make it according to your requirements, but I would like to add post image radius. So post image radius should be 10. Now you can see the post image radius is also now 10. The post title color, so post title color I would like to add this black, and here the black color is added. Now the alignment of post title, you can make it center or left according to your requirements. Now we go here and post meta. In the post meta you can make it the background color as well as the text color. So I would like to select the text color as black, as well as the links color should be black. Now the black color is added into the links, so I will differentiate it with. Now in the background color I would like to select white. Here is the white. Now you can see the white color is added. So if you want to add padding, so I would like to add some padding in the left. Now the left is padding. You can see this is a padding. As the margin, you can also add margin. So post read more buttons. Now the post read more button. So here I would like to select here custom size or so on. So we are not going to use any read more button, so we don't need that. So here paging arrows. So these are paging arrows when we add some other process widgets in next, but this is for now. But just click on update. And now we are going to refresh our home page again, and let's see. Now you can see this is our latest widgets is appearing here. And now I'm going to add a new section. Click here and just click here, and I would like to add um, query as a business, and I would like to select it and duplicate it. And here I would like to move it into down, and here in this row, in this row, and in that content. No, we are going to add in row. Just delete that, and in that I would like to add new jet elements. In the jet elements you can select for smart tiles or smart poster title, smart post styles. And in that I would like to select this style. Right now this is the style that I minimum height 300, so I would like to add this 500, and here in the 500. So this is 500 right now. And here is the categories. So here is the categories in that. And here I would like to add query controls. In that I would like to add categories. In that I will select from business, and from business you can see from business this is fetching the posts. And as well as you can select multiple categories, but for now I'm going to add business. So now in the journal you can see that number of rows, so you can make more number of rows here. And maximum terms shows 3 now. And here post meta show, and I would like to deselect the post meta. I would like to select only the title. And here is if I go down, and maximum time show the exact length, so I would like to select it as 0 because I don't want to show the exact, I just want to show the title of the post. Now if I go into the style, and in the style gap between, I mean this is the gap between the posts, so I would like to select 5. And now you can see this is the size. And padding border radius, so if I select here border it's solid, and it should be 1 pixel. And here is the border radius is 20. Okay, now you can see this is 22, but I would like to select 10. So this is looking good. And here you can see these are from business. I would like to add some more settings. Box overlay, so it should be background, and I would like to add a background overlay. It should be black. And here I would like to select some here and here. Now this is the background overlay. in the content, you can see this is the content and this is the title. So I would like to select the title color, as well as you can increase the text size. For example, text size should be 20. So now you can see this is more visible. If I select 18, so this is more visible here. Now you can also navigate it into the main box title. So main box title is not here. So if I go here in the content, and here I just go down to style, and here is the meta is, for example, business category and so on. And meta icon is not beta background, so I would like to select a background. It should be it should be black here. And in the terms link, you can see this is the term link, and in the term link you can see this is the business, for example, and text definition none. And now you can see this is in that way. And border radius, I would like to select 10. Okay, 10. And now you can see this is looking very nice. And you can also change the color, but this blue one is looking nice for me. And I would like to add some more settings here. And here, number of rows, you can select 1 2 3 4 according to your needs, but I would like to select number of rows is 1. And here, the query controls and so on I have added. So now in that, I would like to add a title, because we have not added any title here for this in this list. So I would like to add a title, and just click here, and I would like to add a heading. And here I would like to add heading. In that, I will select latest business updates. Okay, so this is the title for this. And we can also add a margin, because this is very too close. And here, margin top should be 70, and bottom should be 70. Now it is okay. Right now, this is the business news, latest news. And if I click here again, and I would like to add a new row. And here I would like to add new categories, for example, other categories of our website. So also for paste, just duplicate that. And here I would like to drag and drop into my own category here in that row. And in the style, I would like to change the style. For example, if I click here, so this is the style right now. This is the style. And in that, I would like to add some more settings. I would like to just change the category in the query controls. I would like to select, instead of business, I will select sports, and this is the sports category. And now you can see this is the sports category as I did. And I'll just select this one and duplicate this one, and go slowly. And here I will like to change this to latest business, and I will select latest sports updates. Now this is the sports updates, and this is the business updates. And if I just duplicate this row, and in that I would like to add some more categories. And here, and in that, first of all, I would like to change the style. For example, I would like to select this style. And in that style, I would like to add some more settings. In the settings, I would like to select in the query controls. In the query controls, I would like to change the category as sports to um, lifestyle. So this is the lifestyle. So this is the lifestyle category. Now, if I go here and add some margin, top 70 and bottom 70, and here some margin. And this is latest news, as well as latest business news, latest sports news, as well as latest these are lifestyle. So lifestyle, lifestyle. Now I would like to select again, duplicate this one, and just duplicate. And here I would like to select another category. So on style, in the style, I would like to no, sorry, the content, and then the query. In the query, I would like to deselect this one, and as well as I would like to select uh, forex. Okay, the forex, and here in the forex you can see these are some of uses are added. So like that you can add more and more sections. In that I would like to select the style I would like to change the style of this one, and you can see this one and this one. So these are different styles, and different styles use and sections are added. No, the lastly, we add a new section and duplicate that, and here in that I would like to select a style, for example, and style this one, or this one. So this one, and in that in the style, sorry, in the content and query controls, in the query control I would like to select post categories, and I would like to select from all, from all. Now the from all, so these are all categories, and posts are here. Some of latest posts are here. So here in the that you can see all the posts are added. Now the last thing that I think which is very important, which is button. So I would like to add buttons. So here is the button, and here is the button. This one is added here and make it center, and here, and here I would like to select read from this category. Okay, so read all from this category, or you can select read all the all posts or all newses. So you can add a button, for example. So this is the business, uh, you know, the business category. So here is the business category. Here in the business category, I would just like to copy the URL, and here in the business category, here is the URL, and here I will like to paste this URL, and this will be URL of this post. So like that you can add buttons for all of your posts. I am going to refresh this. Now you can see all these here, and this is the latest news, and this is the latest sports updates, latest lifestyle updates, and I have not changed to forex, and here is the other. So in that I forgot to change the lifestyle. So here is the lifestyle, and this one is the forex, and here I would like to select forex news. Okay, here in that sports news, and here is, sorry, this is the forex, this is the sports, lifestyle, forex, and this is all one, all in one news. Okay, this is the title. This title you can name it or not. So just click on update, and now we are going to finally refresh our browser. Now this is okay. Now it is refreshed, and now this is lifestyle, product news, all-in-one news, and so on. So this is a very good and basic news channel. And if I click here any post, for example, if I click on business and open new tab, in that you can see this category posters will be displayed, only this category posters will be displayed here, and so on. So you can see these are business category news, and if you click on any post or news, you can get the actual content of this. You can see this is the news content, and if I go here back on the home page, and you can also see the home page style, and here you can see this is the website that is fetched from the from the other website data. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and please comment below with your own opinion if you have any other question. Thank you.